Hello and welcome back to another Sowing Seedz grammar episode. Today we are going to be talking about the modal verb may. So first of all, we use may to give or to ask for permission. Usually when you ask your boss or teacher for permission to do something, or when you are a boss or a teacher and you give permission. Out of all modal verbs that are used to ask for permission, may is the politest one. For example, Mr. Hanson, may I leave work a bit earlier today? It's Christmas Eve after all. Meaning, Mr. Hanson, do I have your permission to leave work a bit earlier today? Mr. Hanson is probably his boss, and he is trying to sound very polite when asking for such a delicate thing. Sir, may I interrupt you if I disagree? Meaning, do I have your permission to interrupt you when I disagree? There's probably going to be some conference or a formal meeting, and the answer is no, you may not interrupt me. Oops, permission to interrupt has been declined. He means no, you don't have my permission to interrupt me. Another usage of may is to express possibility when you believe something could be true in the present or future. For example, he is celebrating his 50th birthday with his colleagues. He may come home late and drunk, meaning, I think it's quite possible that he will come home late and drunk because he's celebrating his 50th birthday. You may be a good lawyer, but I am the most prominent prosecutor in town. Meaning, it's possible that you are a good lawyer. You may look like a bride, but you will never bring your family honor. Here, a matchmaker means that it's quite possible that Milan looks like a good bride. She is not denying the fact that Milan looks like a bride. Okay, this is it. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.